Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter number 24, and I hope you have completed your maths classwork with question number 1 to 4. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can just clear your doubts. Okay, so next question number 5 is find the angle that is equal to its complement. Means you have to find one angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, so let the angle be x. Now we have to find such an angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, so let the angle be x. So x is equal to 90 minus xy, because if we subtract, since complement has been asked, so I have to take 90. So if I will subtract x, that is this, then I'll get the complement of x. Yes, I had told you when you have to find out complement, you have to subtract it from 90. So I have to find out complement of x. So I have to subtract it from 90 degree. So find the angle that is equal to its complement. So x degree is equal to 90 degree minus x, because this angle is equal to its complement. So complement is 90 degree minus x. So transfer minus x to LHS, x one side, that is LHS. So x plus this minus x becomes plus x is equal to 90 degree. So 2x, x plus x, 2x is equal to 90 degree. 2 multiplied by x, so x is equal to 90 divided by 2. So x degree is equal to 45. Okay, same thing here. Find the angle that is equal to its supplement. Let the supplement angle be x. So x degree is equal to 180 degree minus x, because you have to find supplement angle of x degree. You have to find out supplement angle of x degree. So you have to subtract it from 180. So x degree is equal to 180 degree minus x degree. You will say why x degree? Because it should be equal to its supplement. Okay, so and this we are finding. So x, so minus x to LHS, transfer minus or transpose minus x to LHS, it will become plus x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. Okay, now let's see the next question. Question number 6. Two complementary angles are in the ratio. Let me show. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 7:8. Find the angles. Okay. So we have seen in proportion. So ratio and proportion. So same thing I am going to do here. The ratio of the angles is 7:8. Therefore, see, ratio of the complementary angle is very important, children. Ratio of the complementary angle is important, because complementary angle means 90 degree, that you have to understand. So 7:8. So 7 plus 8, we have done this in ratio and proportion. Okay, so 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So the angles are 7 upon 15 multiplied by complementary. Since it is complementary angle, 90 degree. If it is supplementary, here 180 will be there. So 7 upon 15 multiplied by 90 degree. 15 6 are 7 6 are 42. And the second will be 8 upon 15 multiplied by 90 degree. So 15 6 are again 6 8 are 48 degree. So 42 and 48 degree. So 42 plus 48 will give you 90. Means we have correct ratio, and our answer is also correct, because since it is complementary angle, we have taken 90 degree here. Okay, if supplementary angle will be there, I have to take 180 degree here, 180 degree here, and this thing we have done in proportion. Okay, same type of question is question number 7. Instead of complementary, now here is supplementary. So the ratio of the supplementary angle is 7:11. 7 plus 11, see, you know that 7 plus 11 is 18. Since it is supplementary, I have to take here, see, I have only done the same mistake. So how could I be so hopeless? This is really hopeless thing. I'm extremely sorry. Sometimes we behave this way. Okay, no issues. Since it is supplementary angle, I have to take 180. So this should be 180. So 18 tens are. Here also 18 tens are. This is really hopeless mistake. 7 tens are 70. And this should be 11 tens are 110. So 70 plus 110 gives me 180. Since it is supplementary, it should be 180 only. Okay. So next is question number 8. So question number 8 is the measures of two complementary angles are given. You can see 2x minus 7 and x plus 4. These are the two complementary angle. Complementary means 90 degree. Don't make mistake like me. Okay. That was really hopeless. So 2x minus 7 degree and x plus 4 degree. These are the two complementary angles, and you know when you add two complementary angles, you get 90 degree. Okay, so find x. So the measure of two complementary angle is given 2x minus 7 and x plus 4, and you know if I add two complementary angle, I will get 90 degree. This we have studied. So I am adding these two angles. So 2x minus 7 plus x plus 4 equals to 90 degree. 2x minus 7 plus x plus 4 equals to 90 degree. Segregation of x terms. So 2x plus x minus 7 plus 4. Only segregation, x term and constant. Okay. So 2x plus x is 3x minus 7 plus 4 minus 3. Minus plus is minus, and sign will come of greater integer. Okay, so 2x 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 equals to 90 degree. So now transpose all x terms to LHS and all constants to RHS so that I can find out x. Okay, so minus 3 is constant, so it will go to right hand side. So 90 plus 3, 3x is equal to 93 degree. Okay, so 93 degree. So x equals to 93 degree upon 3. 3 multiplied by x. So keep x to LHS. Transfer 3 to RHS. Since it is multiplication, it becomes division. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So this 31 degree. Okay. Now, okay, it's only said that find x. So you have got value of x. Same way you have to do question number 9. The measure of two supplementary angles are given, this and this. So since you know the sum of any two supplementary angles will be 180 degree. So 3x plus 15 plus 2x plus 5 equals to 180 degree. So 3 plus 2 5, 15 plus 5 20 equals to 180 degree. So 5x equal to 180 degree minus 20, plus 20 becomes minus 20. So 5x equals to, all the concepts are same of transposing. 5x equals to 160, x equal to 160 upon 5, 32 degree. Okay. So this was question number 9. And question number 10 we'll see in the next video. Please complete it properly. Don't make mistake which I had made. I don't know. That was really unexpected. So please don't do that mistake for complement 90 degree and for supplement 180 degree only. Okay. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much and please take care.